Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. I hope you're having a wonderful and creative day. And I just wanted to show a quick haul that I picked up today. And yeah, so I was very productive today. I went out and actually did 5 stops. Hit post office, 2 Dollar Trees, a Michael's, and a little grocery shopping. So I've been busy. All right, so I'm gonna do the Michael's one first here. So from Michael's, I got this first ephemera pack here, and it says it has 85 pieces in it. Oops. One more step. Isn't that cute little acetate? Like a heart. Cute. It's like just ephemera pieces. It says it's got some with silver. These I might not be so thrilled with using, but there's a lot of just fun, different kind of pieces that, you know, just never really saw before. Fairly thick papers, so not too thin. Like I said, I might not use this gold on things, but you never know. Might find a reason for them. And they are not stickers; they are cardstock. And we got the foil ones and the regular ones, and then there's acetate ones. There's 10 acetates. Let's see if I can show these. That's pretty. Like that. We got numbers, a ticket, a date stamp, or like one of those. That's tiny. Wood melon. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Like a stamp and another stamp. Ooh, that's dark. Not sure what that is. So yeah, so cute. I like them. Got a spare envelope. I'll be able to put these in. See if I can gather them up real quick and go in, go in, go in. All right, so the next thing I have found is a couple of these stamps. And the reason I picked these stamps up was because there we are. I made those backgrounds that were very similar. This is just a piece laying here. Do I have a bigger one? I do have a bigger one. Sort of bigger. I made these like Tim Holtz kind of stamps. And when I was making them, I said it'd be great to have some like butterflies and birds, because I had picked up some background pieces that were similar. These I've had for a while. Music and letters that would be great backgrounds, similar to how those Tim Holtz tissues work. But I didn't have any like, I had smaller butterflies that were like mished into things, but so I found this one. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, so that's a flower. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a tiny one 7, tiny one 8, little 9. Oh, really 10. So I got some butterflies in here. I probably will not use the words for anything, but I thought that was great for that. And then I found this, which I thought was really cute. These little houses. I think they would be fun to like make a street of them and then maybe watercolor them or use the alcohol markers. But I thought those were definitely fun. So I found those two, and the papers at Michael's. Now at Dollar Tree, I found this one, and again, same tone with the butterflies. I found these birds. 1, 2, 3, 5 birds. One little flower is pretty in there. Again, words probably wouldn't use. I've gotten stamps from Dollar Tree before, and they've been perfectly good. So I was very excited to see those for $1.25. Now the next thing I got was some storage bins in gray. So I got this one, which is a 2-pack, and of course, you know, you see the little red sticker, and of course they were $1.25, but now they're $1.50, but still $1.50 for 2, 75 cents each, not too bad. And then I got 2 that are a little bit bigger. Again, sticker on there was $1.25. Well, now it's not coming off. They're now $1.50, and this bigger one, same thing, $1.50. But I still think they're a really good deal. I got them to replace some of my paper boxes that I have. You can see this one, my scraps have kind of gone the way of destroy. So I got a couple of these just to replace, and I think this one is going to be perfect for it. And I just like to say, sometimes it's good to take your scraps out and put them in a different bin because the scraps that were on the bottom are now on the top, and you kind of like rotate them. So now I got garbage. So I'll fill these up. I've got my bigger ones and stuff like that. I should be able to stack them okay. But I thought that was a good deal for that price. Now I did pick up 3 more bins that I'm going to have to insert a picture of here. And I got those. I'm going to put them, they're being used by my printer to put papers in there because they're just kind of sitting on the top of one thing. And those were actually only $1.25. I found those in the school section. I did glue them together because they didn't, they sat together, but you could tell they would be easily knocked off. But I've seen a bunch of teachers, teachers hack for their schools where they put 30 of them together for a classroom. And I thought, 3 of them, that would be perfect. So I got those at Dollar Tree, but those were only $1.25 in the back to school section, whereas these were $1.50. They did come in, I think there was white and maybe black for these, but I thought the gray was a nice neutral color for that. So that is my exciting haul for today. The stamps and the bins, and that's it. All right, that's going to be it for me today. I appreciate each and everybody that has stuck with me today, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much, and as usual, I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye for now.